20 of 25 range day. Here we are. We're at SHOT this year, and range day today is just going to be a fun. I'm joined by Hayley from Team Zero Tech.
There you go.
If you can't tell, it is windy. It is very windy.
So cold.
There's going to be nothing informative about this video at all. We're just going to shoot some guns, we're going to have some fun, and we're going to show you some cool things along the way. So let's get to it.
How quiet is that? Is it pretty quiet?
35 titanium suppressor.
So that's just the release.
Drop that. Push down. There you go. That's it. Push this paddle right here. There you go. Take it off safe and pull the trigger. Use your thumb. Rotate. There you go.
Well, been to a few places.
We have.
It's still cold.
It's still very cold.
I think that's the theme of today, is it's just cold.
Cold and windy.
So we're going to make our way back up and we'll shoot some more things.
Yeah.
And we're 3D printing them now.
Yeah. We've got another one. Our speed K is a 556.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there's a mount.
That's fun. I like how little it is and it just tucks in there.
Then your safety will be right by your thumb. There you go.
No, really, I am. I know that because our Catholic, but
Hope you enjoyed range day, Josh. Hope it was great.